What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 128, and today we're going to do our midweek check-in. All right, so we're going to take a look at three stocks that have been moving and potentially how we could play them for the day or possibly, depending on how the momentum goes the next couple of weeks. All right, so the first one we have up on the screen here is Whirlpool. Whirlpool right now, as of today's date, which is the 26th of June, is trending, and it is trending because there is talks with a German company called Bosch to potentially buy out the company. If you guys know anything about how these takeovers usually go, the company that's being bought, that stock usually kind of surges, and then the other one kind of usually like pulls back. So Whirlpool right now is up 17% pre-market. When we hop on over to the charts and we look at the levels on the daily, we see we have support around the $84 range here, right? And then we do have some resistance up here, which is going to be at around 88, but it is obviously smashed through that level. So this is where it's at right now, where we had this big David Banner candle. It's right around this level right here. So it is definitely looking to, I would say, break outside of this level. So breaks above 103. The next level I have plotted up here is going to be the 107 level. All right, so we have an eye on Whirlpool. If I was looking at potentially getting a call, I would look to get a call around this level. So I would say like a 103 call on Whirlpool. All right, next stock we have up on the list, we do have FedEx. FedEx is currently up right now after reporting earnings. They did beat, but more importantly, it had a really positive outlook in terms of guidance. And because of that, right now, pre-market, the stock is up about 14%. The level that I would be taking a look at FedEx. So I'd be looking at FedEx on the, I would say the 295 calls, or I would go to say the psychological level, which is this level here, which is the 300 calls. All right. Right now, FedEx is really surging pretty high, and this stock it's one of these stocks that's known to have like crazy momentum. So if that momentum continues, I could easily see this stock smashing through 300. So keep FedEx on your radar for the day and possibly the rest of the week or the next 2 weeks. All right, and the final stock we're taking a look at today is going to be GIS, General Mills. This stock has been doing pretty much the electric slide. After reporting earnings, it was not good, and the stock has been sliding. As you could see here, at a peak it was 68, and right now it went down to 67.99 here, and then from there it just slid. All right, so once earnings came out, it just started sliding. Right now it's all the way down to 64. So this is pretty much a 4% decline. So let's go ahead and pull this one up on the chart to look at potential plays. All right, so here we have GIS pulled up on the charts, and this is on the daily, General Mills. As you guys could see right here, we do have a low level here, which would be around the $61 mark, right around the $61 mark. And when it closed, it was around here, which was 68, as I showed you guys. So you're looking for it to come down, break out of this channel. And if it breaks out of this 64 channel here, right? So support on this channel is at like around $64, which is where it is now. If it breaks out of this channel, then you would play it from here all the way down to potentially here and then get out if it continues to slide. So I would look at, on the cheap end, you could look at, I would say like, 61 puts and then on the more expensive end, you could probably look at, say, like the $64 puts. All right. But that's it for the video today, guys. This was just a quick video. It's a midweek market update. I plan to start doing these every Wednesday, first thing in the morning, just to give you guys a leg up on exactly what's going on for the week and potential plays. These are obviously all potential plays. I'm not saying I'm buying these calls or these options, I should say, but these are things that I'm personally potentially looking at for the rest of the week, which is why I have them charted up, and I just figured I would share that information with you guys. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. I do appreciate it. If you did find this information useful, please consider subscribing. I make new videos like this every day, dropping gems that you can use towards your investing journey. Please go ahead and like this video, share this video with a family member or a friend. And towards the end of the video, you'll see a couple of my most popular videos. Please click and watch another one. Thanks again for watching. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.